In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML code to Webflow Website Builder. First, sign into your Webflow account and head to your Sites area. This is where all of your projects live. From there, open the dashboard for the site you want to edit. Once you're on the project card, choose Open in Webflow to launch the designer. The designer is where you'll actually place and configure your custom code on the page. With the designer open, click the spot on your canvas where you want the custom code to appear. This could be inside a section, a container, or any div block you've already set up. Selecting a clear target now makes it easier to place the element exactly where you need it. Next, open the Add panel on the left and use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Start typing Embed to highlight the component we're looking for. When you see Code Embed in the results, select it. You can drag it onto the canvas or simply click to drop it into the selected location. If you don't see it at first, keep your selection active on the canvas and try the search again so the element inserts in the right spot. As soon as the embed component is added, an editor window opens. Here's where you paste your custom HTML. You'll also notice Webflow's helpful note explaining that the Code Embed lets you use unique custom HTML, and that scripts won't run inside the designer. That's expected. To see JavaScript in action, you'll need to publish or export your site. Keep that in mind if you paste a script and nothing seems to happen immediately. You may also see a reminder that this feature is available on paid plans. If you're on a free plan and the editor doesn't let you save, that limitation is likely why. Upgrading your site plan or account unlocks the embed component so you can proceed. Paste your HTML in the editor now. You can include inline styles or scripts if needed. A quick tip: if your snippet depends on external libraries, make sure they're loaded either in this embed or elsewhere on the page so everything works after publishing. When you're done, click Save and close the editor. You'll see the embed block on your canvas as a placeholder. Use Preview to check layout and spacing. Then publish the site to test any interactive pieces or scripts. If something doesn't behave as expected, revisit the embed, verify your code, and publish again. That's it.